started to happen is that all those artist development departments just sort of went away, because you know what happened? It was called they realized that they had all these little independent record labels, and all these little independent record labels were with, like, you know, their little budgets. They would sign these bands, and then the big fish, the big labels would be like, you know what, screw this. The artist development departments, we'll just let these little independent record labels do all the work. And then if they develop one or two bands, we'll just buy the whole record label completely. And that's what they were doing. They would just absorb these independent record labels. And then with that, they would get the 10 bands that they didn't care about and the 2 bands that made something. Ultimately, they would drop those other 2 bands and they would just grab those other ones. And then they would become part of this big record label.